To a new video, and today we have another problem on YouTube Studio. You all guys know that on a YouTube a new update is available, invite a collaborator, but when you click on invite a collaborator and you make a shareable link, but this is your problem, no new request yet. But this is not a big deal and you can fix this one in a moment, in seconds. So how can you fix this? Before telling this one, I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Guys, you should need to remind that just open your YouTube app, then on any video that you want to make a collaboration with other one, click on the edit button, then you need to go down and click on invite button, then you click here and search here a channel name. For example, this one I share this channel, all right, HB Codex. Then you need to click on that. Then if you want to allow analytics, then turn on, otherwise you can't. Then you should need to create a link. All right, then you have to copy or share. I just copy the link. Then this is important point, then just go back, then don't forget to save, don't forget to click on the save icon. You just need to you must need to click on the save icon, then go back and share the link anywhere like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Then after doing these simple steps, okay, your problem will be solved. Like this one, I shared this one before on my recent video. You notice that no new request problem is occurred, but here after we follow these simple steps, now this is available here and a collaboration link, and it is successfully we fixed our problem. So I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secret hacks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.